Good morning, guys. Oh man, I've been so excited on these videos this morning because of how well we're calling these drops and these pumps in the market. Let's just get right into it. Is ADA going through a lawsuit right now? Well, let me clear this up in case you guys are seeing this online. If you type in ADA news, the third top ranking article, depending where you're at, is ADA alert. Lawsuits targeting physicians' offices. All right, let me clear this up so you guys aren't freaking out about this. I mean, you see this because it could be manipulating to some people if you don't know what is going on here. Let me just read this. The ADA requires physicians to accommodate people with disabilities. The UNRRA Civil Rights Act is the California law that protects people with disabilities from discrimination and makes it illegal to violate the ADA, okay? Has nothing to do with the cryptocurrency Cardano. So they are not under a lawsuit. I just wanted to point that out. It's kind of weird how it's the number 3 trending article here. Basically, the one coming out that's really big here is basically price analysis, which we're going to go over. And so nothing really big, but I just want to point that out so no one's, if you hear it online, they're going through a lawsuit, it might be, false news on there. It is. It's not Cardano. Okay, so ADA, I'm gonna dive into the metrics. We just gotta do this. The long trade's looking decent. I'm currently in this trade. I was up, a few $100s on this, and then I'm like, should I sell? I did not sell. I'm still holding here, and I do think we could see a pump back up in the market. The trend exhaustion, guys, get this indicator. It is in the description under trading view indicators. Last time we got down to this area, I like to look at historical data. I don't get my emotions involved here. Last time we were down here, we ended up seeing a pump in the market before we started moving back down of about 17%. Okay, a 17%. Could we be seeing a 17% pump in ADA Cardano coming up here? Possibly. Another time when we were down here was over here. Now, this one, we had a little bit of a pump in the market, but we didn't get up too high before we started heading back down. And then this is another point over here I like to look at because this is, correlating to the same structure on the trend. And this was right around 17% as well on that move. So could we be seeing a 17% pump in the market? It's likely. But let's go over the metrics here and take a look at this because if you guys watch the Ethereum and the Dogecoin video, oh my gosh, the metrics are calling these drops so perfectly. And I'm going to show this to you guys. These metrics are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in an hour and a half. It is 6:28 a.m. live on this video. Okay, so watch this. Emotional index. You get people excited in the market. What happens? The big institutions come in and they short and they drop the price, okay? They're dropping off the price. Let me make this a little more realistic because I'm pulling this out really high. This is what's really happening down here. If we get in and we just visually look at this to see the actual drop, it gives us a little bit more emotional, okay, yeah, this is kind of a big deal. We did drop a lot. From the high here, we've dropped a total of 10%, 10 to 9%. Actually, structure low on the wick value here, about 10.18. Okay, follow me here on these metrics. This is why you guys want to get this. This called the drop here. People being excited and greedy in the market. The price is going up. A lot of retail traders are saying, oh my gosh, we're going to go to the moon. The rocket's taking off, and I don't have a seat on the rocket to the moon. I'm going to buy. And I'm over here telling you guys on the charts, watch this. You better not be buying because this is going to drop out like a rock. Okay, long versus short trades. We see this. We see the price structure increasing while long trades are dropping off. Guys, if you just understand this one thing about long and short trades, if price structure is going up and long trades are moving out of the market, there is absolutely nothing to sustain a move up. Absolutely nothing. When you start seeing the price move up, and you follow literally straight down with my cursor here, and long trades are falling out of the market, you can't go up. You cannot keep going up. It is physically, mathematically impossible for long trades to come out of the market and for trades to move up. You want to know how this moves up? It's low volume and it's just the right amount of long trades versus short trades pushing the market up with low volume, and then these big guys are coming in, they're shorting the market and they're dropping it out on you. So price structure moving up, long trades moving down, you're going to see a drop. That's why you guys need to be watching this metric. All right, another metric that was very clear calling this drop was the good long trade up here. Good long trade, that's down here. Good short trade. The good short trade and good and great short trade were signals up here. If you guys took this correlated over here to basically in the beginning of July, which is right over here around this area. So if you guys were looking at any type of shorts, this is where you would have taken it, and you would have done very well if you're following the metrics over here, okay? Obviously, if you guys did end up putting in long trades and you were watching over here, this could have given you just a little bit more confidence, have this in your tool belt to say, hey, maybe a long trade isn't the best idea. I know you guys are feeling these emotions when you see ADA head up. You want to get on the rocket ship, like I said, because you don't want to miss out because it's going to Mars. Forget the moon. People are like, it's going up, it's going up. I'm saying Guys, the best long trades are when you're patient and you get a signal down here in the good and the great long trade section. When we're down here, we head up, 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 okay? Watch these metrics every morning, okay? It's $49 a month, guys. It's the cheapest thing you'll probably ever invest in for crypto with the greatest results, okay? I am going to be upping it to $98 here soon and then past that price because I know the value that this holds. Okay, well, in institutional smart money, if it wasn't clear, they were shorting. Okay, if it wasn't clear, they were clearly shorting and the price could not go up any further and it started to drop back down. So watch this. Let's combine the metrics here so you guys can understand how to read this because in an hour and a half here, these metrics will update again and you can use this every morning. Wells and institutional smart money looking to short the market. Long trades moving out of the market while price structure is moving up. Incredible. People are excited in the market. Like this is a short sign. This is a short sign. This is a short sign, clearly. This is a short sign in the market. And we're in a death cross. Like, can it get any clearer that we are not going to keep heading up? I don't know. Like to me, this is becoming very helpful to check every single morning before I make decisions in the market. Let's take a look at this too. Support and resistance prices. If you come here and you take a look and you look at where the price was, it is very consolidated and very restricted. But take a look at this. From where the price was, we had this nice little drop down here to $1.28. Okay, watch. $1.28. Where are you? $1.28. $1.28 is right about here, structure low. I think we could hit down to $1.28 for sure. Like that is where I think we could hit. But if you're looking at this, and here's how I want you guys to read this, is here was the current price yesterday when these metrics came out. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 very, very close resistances here. Very close resistances. This is telling me it's going to have a hard time pushing up because when you hit a resistance, this is where the price usually hesitates, it blasts through, or it drops. Only 3 things can happen. But historically, and when price hits a resistance, not just one, but 4 of them, it usually hesitates or it drops back down. Well, we can see that we've already tried to clear down this 135. The next place that we could go is $1.28 and $1.20 and then down back to $1. I'm not going to call $1. That's too aggressive. It would just be clickbait if people come out with $1 on this. But what I do expect to see is a real possible move down here for, what are we on? Are we on 80? Are we on ADA? Yeah, ADA, sorry. I've been doing all these videos this morning. We're on ADA, guys. All right, $1.28. I do expect $1.28 and $1.20 to be reasonable areas where we could see a drop in the market. That will put us right down here at the structure low as well as the structure low right here. So $1.20 is where I think we could head down before we see a really nice move up. Now, could it head back up? Absolutely. That's not an official call. That's just pulling the metrics in here. What you need to do is spend every morning very quickly just coming in and checking the update of here of what's going on with the metrics. This is what's calling the drops and the rises in the market. These aren't just suggestions and opinions. This is all pulled from real exchange on-chain metric data, all volume, real volume data and trend analysis, guys. And then the emotional index, I've built this literally based off working with hedge funds in the past and institutions, like millions and millions of dollars these guys have. They've been contacting me in the last business that I had. They're like, how do we get in and out of the market? And I would teach them these things, and I've put it into an indicator for you guys so you can see what the whales and institutions need to be looking at in order to place their trades so there's enough liquidity in the market to pass through billions of dollars. Now you guys can have this so you can see it yourself. All right? So I'm giving this all to you guys to kind of level the playing field, if you will. So I about to say, hope you guys have a good one. Couldn't get it out in time before I coughed. I hope you guys have a good one. These indicators are in the description. I'm just so excited this morning. Make sure you guys go over to Trade Confident. I know a ton of you guys, not like a ton, but a lot of you guys are realizing this. You guys are getting the premium membership. Like I said, it's $49 a month. Also, if you guys didn't see the calls that I've done on the channel already, we won 20%. We won 2 trades the other day with 20%, I believe. And I just actually recalled 3 different trades today. So we won 19.36% on UNI right before it crashed in the market. Also won 20.10% on GRT. That happened right before it crashed in the market. Like I literally did this like yesterday. Okay, and then 20.22% on ICP we took as a win. And then we took 15.14% as the market's crashing. We are taking wins in the market. That's over here at tradeconfident.io. 1 membership per month gives you guys all the live trading and all the access to the top cryptocurrency metrics. All right, guys, have a good one. God bless you. As I always say, I'll see you in the next video. Sign up at tradeconfident.io for the metrics. Check them every single morning. I can guarantee you guys it will help you trade more confidently. not financial advice, but I really do believe it'll help you guys a lot when you're in the markets. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next videos. Bye-bye.